Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This video for review video is stay in cryptocurrency site in long time. So previously I also payment proof video. Now I want to review this site. So before I introduce my YouTube channel name Crypto and Traveling. Here are two parts. One part crypto related video uploaded in this, in other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information of crypto and travel related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Now I go to my Telegram, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. Already 152 members join my Telegram group. So if you want, if you have a core mining, if you want to increase your mining power, please join my Telegram group. Share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Other option, you can collect your essential card for increasing your mining power for core mining. So I request to you, please joining now. Core will be in date in 12 December. So it's already announced that. So I request you no more, don't waste your time. Which I remember already joining in my Telegram group, and also registered by via my link. And please request to please use this code gift card and Twitter account, and also any hash card. So please increase your mining power. Now new user, please I request to only 3 days in your hand. So please join now. আমি বলবো আর মাত্র 3 দিন আছে ভাই, যারা এখনো হ্যাশ কার্ড এবং গিফট কার্ডগুলো বাড়াচ্ছেন না ভাঙায়েন, ওদেরকে বলো অবশ্যই ভাঙান ভাই। অল্প কয়েকদিন 3 দিন মাত্র আছে। এই সময়ের মধ্যে যদি আপনারা যতটুকু আয় করতে পারেন, এটা আপনাদের জন্যই ভালো। সো আপনারা কেউ মাইনিং বন্ধ করবেন না প্লিজ। So how to join this site? You come to join my YouTube channel. Here is a come to on playlist option. Find out this core mining registration. আপনারা প্লেলিস্টে আসার পর core mining registration ভিডিওটা ক্লিক করবেন। Then here is a 9 type of video here. So first time is a registration process, how to join this site. Come on to the scroll down, and here is the registration link available here. Please click this option and join now. And then also how to using a gift card in your core mining. So I request to you, please here is a many type of gift 50 gift card available here. So you can use this and increase your 30k mining power increasing. So it's very easy to increase your mining process. It's very easy. So now I how to Twitter account add in your wallet. So here is very easy. And also you can also have if you have no Twitter account, you can you easily show this video and create a Twitter account. Okay, and use Twitter account use for core mining update, hash power increasing, and also how to use this big card in this all everything video available for using this and useful to you. আর আপনার প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিওই আপনার অনেকটা উপকার হবে, এবং 10k 3k পাওয়ারটা বাড়িয়ে আপনি কীভাবে মাইনিং পাওয়ারটা বাড়াতে পারেন। সময় থাকতে এখনও ব্যবহার করুন ভাই, অল্প 100 200 150 নিয়ে লাভ নেই। আপনারা যত দ্রুত পারেন এইসব ভিডিওগুলো প্লিজ everyday you can increase your mining power only 3 days if you see this video. So now I go to my main topic. This site is TRX Mining Farm. I also already joining made this video. This video or joining link available this video when uploaded as description bar. When you joining this you get 100 gigahash power free and mining 24 hours withdraw from this is a real time, and this site stay at now 4 months more. So that is if you minimum deposit 10 days, and also minimum deposit at 9,000 9 type plan available here. You can also choose this any plan and get very most high profit from this site. So it's good site and real payout site. So when you come to my link, please sign up this option. Here is a fill up all information. Okay, so and now I want to log in this site. Okay, it's very easy for logging. Now I want to withdraw from, so already withdraw. I also withdraw from this site. Now I withdraw Litecoin from this site. Okay, this is every monthly give bonus from this site. He is the man of owner this site. They always time pay সার্ভিস টু কাস্টমার। সাইটটা খুব ভালো ভাই, আপনারা অবশ্যই জয়েন হন। বাই মাইনার প্ল্যান, উইথড্র ফান্ড, okay, many type of available here. So your miner always time information. My mining will be ending after 16 days. Okay, so now I go to withdraw request in this side. Please came to this withdraw option and select this option. Okay, and you can choose this any method. If you want to Tron TRX withdraw request, you need to 20 TRX needed. Okay, so request completed. Now is finally is my ID. Also here is a LTC mining receipt amount. Okay, this site real time payout site. So I request to you, please join now and easy withdraw from this site. No more hand your this time. So already 6 month it's stay now. So it's real time. Many of the I request you, if you save investment in this site cryptocurrency, that's the site will ensure you this site is safe investment. আপনারা মনে করেন যে ক্রিপ্টোকারেন্সিতে সেফ বলে কিছু না, তো সেক্ষেত্রে এইটাই একটাই সাইট যেটা আপনাকে সব ধরনের সাইটে আপনি মাইনিং করতে পারেন এবং রিয়েলভাবে ভাই এখানে মাইনিং করেন এবং আপনারা উইথড্র করেন। আর এখানে 20 TRX হলে আপনি ফ্রি দেবেন, ফ্রি ভাই অন্যান্য বোনাসও দেয়, প্রতি মাসে কিছু বোনাস পাবেন। সো যদি আপনাদের মনে হয় ভিডিওটা ইউজফুল আপনাদের জন্য ভালো মনে হয় তাহলে লাইক করেন আর কমেন্ট করেন কমেন্ট বক্সে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।